Today we're gonna be playing Don't Press the Button. Okay, let's start. I'm so excited, guys. What is this? I'm just. Oh my god, I'm lagging. No, I can move. Oh, this is pushing to. Why am I lagging? Oh, I can move. Oh, no. Guys, wait. Hold on a minute. There you go. I just cut the video for a second so I can just, this is just what do I do? What? 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 What was that? How do I supposed to memorize that when I have no buttons? What is this? I have to get the duck. Okay, duckies. Oh, yeah. I get one duckies. There's a few coins. No, oh no. Let's go so quickly. Oh no. Okay, where are you going? Get this. Okay, you have to. What was? Oh! Excuse me, please. No. Yes. Yes. No. What? Time's up. Ducks. Oh my gosh, one with four ducks. What is this Christmas tree do? I don't know. Okay. Oh my! It's Baldy the Bold. The Bold, yeah, the Bold. It's Bold. Oh, it's good. No, Baldy. Okay. Hi there. Oh wow, you survived. Good job. Oh. How is that even possible? Push it. Oh my god, this is so scary. The Doge. Oh, the Doge. The Doge. Oh. Okay, well. Why is the Christmas tree growing? Oh wow. Oh, get that. Oh my god, 6. I have to get 6. I have to get 6. Okay. Let's go. Two more hoops. I have to get more 2 hoops. Last one. We can do this, guys. And we did it. Yes, 10 coins, baby. Actually, what if it's a bird? What was that? Okay, I'm not gonna say that to anyone, but let's keep. Oh no, it's a. Oh wow. Oh my god, I survived that. Actually, cool. No. Okay, I have to survive. Oh! Noob! Ridiculous. Red. No! Okay. Green, right? The green one. are you? Black? Are you? Oh, you can survive. Oh, hi there, spider. Oh my god, I thought I died for a second. Okay, click the button. How does this play? Bomb! Before it explodes. Yeah. Pick it up. Oh. Hi, die. Wait, how did that even reach? Okay. What's this? Blue. Oh, red. What do I do? Ah. What do I do? This is actually very confusing. Oh, that's how. Okay. I thought I was doing good, but no. What I did? Hello. I just block it. To go. Yes. 14 points. Wow, that's actually very impressive, to be honest. Now, what? More. What is? Okay, let's go. Oh, we are you doing this? No, we're not. I'm not doing. No. You'll never make me. You'll never make me. Oh, no. We died now. It's the goal to put. Okay. Pizza delivery for pink. Oh. Delivery pizza to the house. Yeah, 10 coins, baby. That was actually very easy. What is that ginormous thing? Okay, hi girl. You're so ugly. It's time for okay, well. Oh, no, I can move. The pirate's time to start. Oh my god. Good job. Okay, well. What's next? Oh, table. I didn't just that cake. The cake is a light. Okay. I don't know how to spell. I'm just 9 years old. Oh no! I'm only 9 years old. I just told that. And the stupid girl is slapping us. It's just an NPC. Okay. But what's this? Help. Yeah. What? I'm gonna end this video right now, and make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more content. And I'll see you next time. Bye.